Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 5G broken screen. As you can see, touch screen is not working. First we will open the SIM tray. We will open the back cover very easily with alcohol and opening tool. Do not rush when you open the back cover. Try to open nicely. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned. Did you know that we are already taking off the back cover? Now we will remove the screw with a screwdriver. With that we will remove the power button connection. Then we will remove the midframe with the opening tool. First we need to disconnect the battery connection. Then we need to disconnect the mainboard fixed cable connection. Screen connection stuck with glue should be removed from charging port flux cable. Then we will carefully open the motherboard from the phone body. This is our new phone screen with frame. We will open now. Here along with the screen they have included a speaker and volume button, flex cable. Now we will replace battery from old screen to new screen. We will take off the battery with alcohol through the hard plastic card. Then we will replace the vibrator motor from the old screen to new screen. We will put the motherboard on the new screen. Then we will install the antenna cable properly. Put a little glue under the screen connection. Then I will hook it up with the charging port flex cable. Then we will attach the screw for the charging port flex cable. Then we will attach the connection for mainboard flex cable. Then we will put the screw for the motherboard. Then we will make the battery connection. Then we will take the midframe and plug in the power button connection. Then press the midframe by hand. Then install the SIM tray. Then press the power button and turn on the phone. Then check if the screen is worked properly. Once everything is checked, we will install the screw. Then we will attach the back cover with B700 glue. Then we will press it with the clip. Then wait for 30 minutes. Then remove the clip. Everyone stay oil, stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.